Hello and welcome back to WC Marketplace. Today's video will be all about the commission management in WCMP. As commissions are the lifeblood of a marketplace, having a sound commission system is mandatory. WCMP provides you with a flexible commission structure that lets you manage all your commission needs. So without further ado, let's proceed to learn about these commission structures and how to configure them. So as always, go to admin dashboard and then select WCMP menu. From there, select settings. Once the setting page loads, click on the payment tab. Under the payment tab, there are three sections: revenue sharing mode, what to pay, and how and when to pay. Under the revenue sharing mode, you can choose from either admin fee or vendor commission. Admin fee is what the admin charges per unit sell or per transaction or both, and the rest is paid to the vendor as commission. On the other hand, vendor's commission is what the admin pays the vendor per unit sold or per transaction or both. Vendor commission, on the other hand, operates in the opposite manner. Here, the vendor receives the commission amount per unit sell or per transaction or both, and the rest is paid to the admin as a commission. Now we shall be learning about the hierarchical structure of commission and how one can set. WCMP offers different level of commission, and one level overrides the other. The first level of commission is the product commission, where admin can charge commission on per product sold by a vendor, followed by category-based commission, where you can charge commission on various of the same category. This is followed by vendor-based commission, where the admin can charge a certain amount of the total income earned by the vendor. With the help of membership-based commission, you can add a certain commission charge on every membership packages created by you. This way, vendors belonging to a certain membership will have to pay the same amount. Finally, global commission, where you can add a standard commission applicable for all the goods. Now that you have learned about the different level of commission, let us pay a little attention on how you can set them. To set product commission, go to admin dashboard and select the product menu option. Once the product page loads, choose the product on which you want to add a commission. Once the page containing the product details open, navigate to the data meta box and select the vendors tab. Select the name of the vendor selling the product and add the commission amount in the empty commission field. Now every time the product is sold, you as an admin will receive the product commission. Now let us learn how you can set commission on the basis of product category. Once again, go to the admin dashboard and from there navigate to category submenu found under the product. Once the category page loads, can edit a category by hovering your mouse on the category of your choice and then select edit. Once the category page loads, go to the commission field and then select the commission amount. Once the commission amount is added, select update. Now we shall be proceeding to learn about how you can add commission on the basis of every individual vendor. Once again, from the vendor dashboard, select WCMP and from there select vendors. As visible, this is the vendor log page. Here you can select the vendor you wish to add and commission amount to. Once the vendor detail page loads, go to the payment tab. Here you will find the seller commission percentage section. Put in the amount of commission you want to set for this vendor. Finally, select Save Changes. Now let's understand a commission value to our membership plan. From the dashboard, go to Product tab and select Add New. Once redirected, then from the data meta box, select the membership tab, and if you scroll down, you can see that there is a field for setting the admin commission type from the drop-down list. Next, under the vendor commission field, the vendor commission amount can be set. We need to keep in mind that one can create a membership-based plan only when he or she has WCMP membership installed and activated on his or her WP account. Finally, let's learn to set global commission value that will be applicable to all products and vendors, in case the above commission options are not available. For this, we shall be returning to the Payment tab available on the WC setting page. Once the setting page loads, go to the Payment tab. Under What to Pay section, you will find a commission field. Add the global commission amount here. We have now completed learning about the various levels of commission. In the video on types of commission, we shall be understanding in details the various types of commission provided by the WC Marketplace. For this video, we shall be briefly going over the various types of WCMP commission. Types of commission. Fixed. Here you can charge a certain amount as commission fee per unit sold or per transaction. Percentage. Here you can charge a certain percentage of commission on every product sold by the vendor. Fixed and percentage per transaction. Follows the same principle as above, except you will be able to charge both a fixed amount as well as a certain percentage value on every product sold per transaction. Fixed and percentage per unit enables you to accept commission on every unit sold on the same item. Commission on price range will let you charge the same commission amount on products purchased within a set of price range. With commission on product quantity, you can set a quantity limit, and every time the quantity limit is met by the vendor, the commission value set would be charged. Fixed percentage per vendor will let you charge a fixed plus percentage value on the total earning of the vendor. Wow, looks like you have already learned the basics of commission. In our next video, we shall be learning about how and where the admin can view and manages their commission. We shall also see how the vendors can view their commission received from their respective dashboard. With this, we have come to the end of our video. If you like the tutorial, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Click on the small red bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. And do not forget to check out the description box below for more useful links. Thank you for watching.